The sad truth is that love will never be enough to save your long-distance relationship. I dare say your love becomes useless if you don't do this. Every person who's in love thinks their long-distance relationship is gonna last forever, and after 12 months, most of the time they're wrong. It's easy to say we're in love, but that love won't sustain you through the lonely nights, the missed calls, and the unmet expectations. Effort. Long-distance relationships requires more than affection, it requires effort. Normal relationships are already a challenge. So when you and your partner are miles apart, you need to understand that it will take double the amount of effort and care. Everything that you do in a normal relationship, you'll have to do the same, except your partner will be hundreds of miles away. Are you prioritizing your relationship, or are you expecting love to do all the heavy lifting? You'll have to communicate a lot. Make the effort to talk to them every night, even when you're busy or don't feel like it. Do you know when you will meet them again? Do you have a specific date that you're both looking forward to, whether it's 2 months or 2 years away? Because I hate to break it to you, if you have no idea when you'll see each other, if you don't know when you'll be able to feel their touch, then your love will be tested. Now, your love might endure and the relationship might work, but even the strongest love starts to fade away when the wait is too long.